it's raining outside and we might get snow, so we're here at the last minute run on Friday. So we're gonna see what's here, what's here and what's not here. It's like 37 degrees Fahrenheit outside, so we'll see what's here and not here. Milk, молоко, milk.
Oh, eggs. Okay, nice.
There's milk. There's quite a bit of candy. There's probably nothing in the dairy section, but the lines aren't that good. Yeah, but no, they're not that bad. Не можно покататься. Правда, не. So let's see what's here and what's not here. No berries. Well, berries.
Slowly.
Well, not many berries. There's much more normally. And there's also a bunch of fruit and stuff missing.
Okay, not bad.
Yeah.
Hello. How are you?
Hi, how are you?
Fresh strawberries.
And no bananas at all. So no bananas. There's quite a few of these twisties things. Can only there. I'm fine. So there's not enough of them.
Not bad.
Yeah,
Some juices, not too much, not too many. Do you want to continue?
Yeah. Компот можно сделать.
Okay.
So barely any of those.
Again, not bad.
Not bad.
What is it?
Can I?
Totally no bananas. Only. No, we don't need it. I bought mandarins. No regular carrots. Oh. No, my favorite ragu. And here, yeah.
We're not getting much food today.
No ragus.
No.
No ragus. No, not there. Oh my God. It's onion. Why? What do you think about? No onions, or no onions, no onions.
No onions at all here.
Probably. How about greens? Again, not bad.
In the seafood section, we're guessing there's probably nothing. Hey, would you like a cake?
We can do a pie tomorrow. We have everything at home. Do you want to check cheeses?
Sure.
Go to the right, that cheeses. Some nuts. Not bad. Salami. I expected nothing there.
Не можно?
What do you want?
Pretzel sticks.
Pretzel sticks. I have some sticks in a home.
I like the sour cream and onion.
I have salty sticks. What do you have? Oh, I don't know what is it. Oh, yeah, exactly. It's exactly what I expected. Flatbreads.
Мам, я хочу тебе что-нибудь показать. Видишь, можно...
Yeah, I know. We will. Yeah, I know. It's a good idea, but
We don't buy it.
yep, chicken available. Again, everything is very good based on our expectations. A lot of food. We have bread. We have everything in our Kroger. Oh, nothing in this, no salmon. It's what I expected about salmon and milk and eggs. Alice also told me she expected no toilet paper and water. So, sausages, it's okay.
Barely.
Because a lot of people, but again, it's still kind of keep going. Do you want some ribs?
What?
Do you want ribs?
No.
Tomorrow, day after tomorrow. No?
Shani? I want a balloon.
Balloon, where is the... No. Okay. Some pork?
Oh.
No chicken.
No, nothing. Oh, лепешки можно, горячие есть. У нас есть?
We can buy one more because I bought yesterday or day before yesterday, and I think we have kind of
Нет,
half.
просто которые ты мне в школу ставишь. Ну, они вот...
Yeah, I told about them.
Идем?
Uh-huh. My favorite promotion, but it's nothing there. Look here. Take one, buy one free. Let's go. And our empty cart.
Look at
And
this.
here also. I got some. Oh. It's a good expectation, honestly.
Where the hell did the meat go?
You may find some pork there.
this
It's
is-
still.
This is usually here until about 8 o'clock.
Probably they clean everything. Expected
Having
some.
trouble getting it.
Yeah.
Nothing in our normal salmon section.
So I think they clean it. It's common normally.
So no
So
salmon.
if you need some fish, it's here. They have some.
There's fish over there, but no over there.
I think they clean it.
Yeah, I think they just removed it all.
Just expected some cut down.
There's also some over here. They're missing quite a bit of it.
So if you want salmon, you can buy it still available.
I don't really want
Do you
salmon.
want it?
Nope. Ooh, mac and cheese. Mom. Mama.
Which is it?
Mac and cheese.
No.
Hmm.
I can do it actually.
I'm gonna go move forward. Look,
We have it's at home.
I know I was
And
just
you
showing.
like not this, I normally buy that stuff. If you want, we can buy two.
Okay.
Just in a case that
And there's all of these. Is that too? Yes.
I also bought two
let's go. Look, I was expecting there to be less of these. I was expecting less of these. Because they're already, so I would have expected less. I'd say. Emptiness.
But again, and here we still have your favorite mahi mahi. It's on a sale. Just $14.99.
Okay, let's see.
I bought them.
Already.
I
Pepperoni?
bought them a lot.
The pizza? No? There's almost a couple of bit of the dough. Here's all the cheese. It's quite a bit more than I'd expect.
We need milk.
Milk, not cheese.
Milk and coffee and something else for grandma. I don't remember.
Ooh, yogurt.
Do you want yogurt?
Ty by nie lubił. You wouldn't like the yogurt I want.
No, sugar you may take.
There is sugar.
Oh, it's a lot of water you can show.
Should we grab
They
some?
prepared well.
Should we grab some?
No, I think we don't need it.
So the milk would have been around here.
No milk.
There is milk. Chocolate milk.
No, you can do it by. You can take it.
Which one?
The biggest one you may take it.
I don't think.
Do you want the chocolate milk at home?
No, I want hot
chocolate?
chocolate,
Hot
but
chocolate. Do you want
we don't need chocolate milk for that.
Okay.
I don't think we'll finish it all though.
You can take the big one. I also can take one for grandma.
One small one for grandma.
All around, just for sure.
10. Ты 10 выбрала?
No, 9.
Почему?
I didn't see them.
Есть 10. Мам, вот здесь был.
I
There
didn't
was.
see. I saw 7 and 9 and now
Okay.
it's 10.
Marshmallows?
No. Why do you need marshmallow?
Hot chocolate?
Marshmallow? I think I have it home. So it's also eggs.
You're not
You
going
showed
straight.
me. Okay.
You're not going straight.
Do you want to go to see some refrigerators?
Sure.
Some juices? Do you want to see, check what is...
Lemonade. No clue. Let's go. Let's go.
Probably it's no pizza there.
Over there.
Yeah.
There is. There is pizza. Pizza jest. Pizza.
Again, not good.
Then there's ice cream. Which
But
is.
we can know now which is the favorite pizzas.
But there's.
It's empty.
Over here it's empty.
Our favorite ice cream.
It's your favorite, not my favorite.
My favorite is it. And I will not buy it because you have some kind of message. No, it's not a good idea. It's some kind of...
It doesn't shake.
It's too noisy.
There's trash bags.
Okay, do you want to check toilet paper?
Let's check. That's toys. That's baby stuff. There's water over there. Valentine's Day and cards and stuff. No clue what this is. There's quite a bit of toilet paper.
Huh?
Yes. First of all, right there.
Everything is there. I don't know why people say it.
Oh, Maham. Mm.
Nice.
These are also nice. These.
It's not the blue.
I don't care. I like lavender. Lavender. Oh, Mom. Those look pretty. Oh. Headphones.
Mac and cheese, not too many, but
Can I have mac?
you might check. It's also some tomatoes.
Let's go. Check out.
Honestly, I want to take some cheese for myself because it's on a sale and I'm not sure how.
What cheese? That cheese?
It's here.
Oh, cheese.
I want this one,
Can I have the pink one?
pink one. This one? It's your favorite.
No, the pink one.
Where is pink one?
The fruit
This?
tea.
You may take which one?
I don't know which one it is. You're the one who gives it to me.
I never take this one.
Розовый чай, который
What is it?
красный, когда варишь. Нет. Фруктовый чай.
Okay, I have it at home. It's enough. Do you see the
Mhm.
difference? And I like this one. I want to take some.
They're all yellow and
Yeah,
blue.
I need some. And in the morning I do use this one. If you want, do you want more?
You have to buy 5 or more though.
I know.
And then can you buy 3 of 2 are mine?
I never ever tried this one.
Boba.
No,
Oh, I want it. Actually,
it's the new one. I don't.
sure,
know what
try
is
it. Let's try it.
Honestly, I like. I think that, but now it's very expensive.
Uh-huh. Let's go.
Let's. We can buy it for you.
Can we buy like applesauce to make it warm? Like make warm applesauce movie? Or no?
I don't know. Why do I need it? I have the big box in the home.
You have those?
Yep.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. I use it for my cookies for my zephyr. We can take 5
Oh,
of them.
I don't want 5 of those.
But it's your favorite. But again, we have the other one. Let's go.
Let's go.
Wait a second. I will check. Oh, sorry.
What is it? Instant coffee. We have cocoa powder or
I have an
whatever.
order for this particular one. True.
Oh, look.
Do you want to check? I need some time for my list. Do you want to
Let's go check out.
check out? But again, no expectation. We have eggs, we have milk, we have toilet paper, we have, what did you say about
Water.
water?
Water. Go to 3. We'll see you when the checkout
It's also
checkout starts, when we're done waiting in line. So I'm gonna put it on the conveyor belt.
6638. You're good to go, man. You have a good night.
I can keep it. give?
No.
I will hold it.
No.
These are not mine. I just want to pay for propane.
All out.
Oh, really?
No propane, no wood.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. Hey, how y'all doing? You guys getting ready for the weekend?
We want a bit of hot chocolate.
I expected some bad news, but honestly, we have to find what we wanted.
And do we have
That's all we're
a
supposed
number or a
Yes,
card?
I have now.
What's the number?
I can do it.
Okay.
Could you do interview
Nie
for
można?
your video? Just say why it's.
Nie można nажать?
No. Could you ask about why people say it's no eggs and no vodka or something stuff? Kind of know in the stories and because
Why?
Yeah.
People are panic shopping.
Yep.
Oh. But there is all that
Why
stuff.
why do we have all this stuff here? Why?
No clue.
You have some expectations.
I'll get you some. Total's $54.15. What you need, boss? The what? Well, hundreds. Okay. I couldn't remember if it was the kings or hundreds.
Thank you. So, and our total 54. And let's go or no?
I want to receive.
You ladies have a wonderful evening, all right?
Thank you.
You saved $8.80 today, all right?
Thank you.
See you next time.
Stay warm.
My legs are freezing out from here. It's not really raining as much.
Good.
I can walk to the car.
Okay, good news. Ready?
Yeah. Let's go. Пока говорить. Bye and see you guys next time. Is it locked?
Yeah. It's exactly happened.
Why is it locked?
Sometimes it's happened.
Where does it lock? Zad. Okay, that's all for today. Bye bye.